Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ChatGPT token. This is a brand new meme coin, just came out around 13 hours ago. Has a 24-hour trading volume of almost $50 million. It's trending at number 18 right now in the Solana section on Dex Screener. Ticker symbol is CHATTY. We're going to go over the information on the CHATTY token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token here is, you can find it on SolScan. You can find the chart on Dex Tools or Dex Screener. In the past 24 hours, this token has a 24-hour trading volume of $46.4 million. Super popular project right now. It actually just came out 13 hours ago. So the pair was created on RAYDIUM 13 hours, 12 minutes ago, and already $46.4 million in trading volume. Token is up 4,179% in the past 24 hours. They've had 74,786 transactions. They have a market cap of $5.6 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Now, if you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Chatty on Sol CTO. Now, CTO stands for Community Takeover, so this token could have already had a community takeover. We're going to check that in a second. They usually have a claim on Dex Screener where they talk about that. They have 184 subscribers on their Telegram portal. You can preview the Telegram channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project along with their Twitter. And I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Chatty on Solana. And their Twitter has 359 followers so far, just joined in November 2024, brand new socials. The official ChatGPT app mascot. And then they have a link to their Telegram and their webpage right there, chattyonsol.fun. So there's there's so many trends in crypto nowadays. Right now there's a trend having to do with animals being arrested or confiscated by police or euthanized or whatever. And then they have that started with the peanut token. Then they have all sorts of mascots going on now. So they have Chatty, the ChatGPT mascot. I saw one pop up, something other mascot, but the most popular one is the Lester token, which is the Litecoin mascot. I uploaded a video on that token earlier today. But that one, is going insane. Huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume for the Lester token, and tons of central exchange listings today. So we'll see how well this Chatty one does, but that's definitely a trend right now, is these mascot tokens. And then, of course, there's, all sorts of different animal trends and things like that. But anyways, this token, the Chatty token, has 6,600 6,600 holders right now. So that's a lot of holders in 13 hours. They have here a liquidity pool of $442,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And according to DEX Screener, 99.97% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is 0.0061 USD per token. And yeah, so this token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. Actually, there was a video I did maybe about a week ago of the little pump.fun pill mascot. That was a mascot meme coin as well. So check that one out. And yeah, so this web page here, if you go to chattyonsol.fun, has a link to buy Chatty. It has a DEX Screener link, Twitter, Telegram. So all the links are on their webpage. It says on November 14th, 2024, ChatGPT's official account on X introduced Chatty as its new mascot. The announcement featured an image of Chatty, a friendly and approachable character designed to represent ChatGPT's commitment to user-friendly AI interactions. This introduction marks Chatty as the official mascot of ChatGPT. Total token supply, 1 billion tokens. Now, Chatty is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. There's no formal team or roadmap, and the coin is completely useless and for entertainment purposes only. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Sol for the Chatty token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage there, or on their SolScan, DEX Tools, or DEX Screener chart. You probably won't have to set slippage. I didn't see anything about taxes. There will be a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off RAYDIUM. It could also be available on other decentralized exchanges for Solana tokens like Jupiter, Meteora, or Orca. They might get some central exchange listings in the future. Lastly, they have a quick audit on DEX Screener. It says contract is not freezable and no mintable tokens. And then on DEX Tools, they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, and tax is not modifiable. But keep in mind, those are both just quick audits. They don't go over everything. But yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.